Today we're going to be talking about T Santos Fit. Now, obviously, T Santos, Thiago Santos Fit, it tells us what it is. How did you arrive on that brand name?
Um, I don't know. I started a Facebook business page, and at first it was like Thiago Santos Health and Fitness, and that was just like too long, and so I didn't like that. So I wanted to shorten it up. So I figured, let me just use my name. I think I saw somebody else, other people were using their name, and I'm like, all right, let me just. They're successful. Let me emulate them. And
Yep.
then come to find out, years later, this guy is the guy. I wish I didn't use my name in the brand, but it is what it is for now.
It's funny enough. So opposite. When I was starting my business, the agency, I called it BJC Branding. You remember BJC because that's what you used to call me, and BJC Bryan James Caplan. But I had asked around. I was like, "Hey, what should I do?" I was living outside of Boston. I thought maybe Boston Marketing Agency or Beantown Branding or something. And it was a family member that said, "No, no, no, don't geo lock yourself somewhere. You should be you." And I chose BJC, which if any of you are learning, or kind of starting the research process to name your business, stay away from acronyms because everybody messed it up. It was CBJ, JBC. No one could get it right. So funny enough, we landed on Bryan Caplan Marketing because it's kind of that personal brand, right? You see me almost ad nauseum, but you see me on videos, watch the events, I write the articles, all that stuff. So we wanted people to know that it was all kind of under that umbrella. So I actually like what you did with T Santos Fit. I'm almost thinking, it's like, I would say just, T Santos or even bringing back Thiago, but as a signature, like it's your signature fitness brand, T Santos, and people can get behind that. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Right. So I would say you're good with what you have. It's all one word, which is one thing. And let me share the screen with you so that everybody can see what I'm talking about. We're going to dive into a few things here, but when we're looking at your brand name, I mean, it's just one word, T Santos Fit. You own tsantosfit.com. Really important. Has anyone ever said to you it's hard to find your site, or I messed up your email or anything like that?
Not to my knowledge.
There you go. So, well, of course, if they can't get in touch with you, they wouldn't. But most people would, if you're working with so many people, and I can see obviously you have a lot of clients under your belt, at least 240, if not more. I'm sure you would have heard some grumblings about, hey, it's kind of hard to remember your business name. So I think you're good there.